Hi guys, today's video I'll show you what I bought from Woolworths for $90. So first off, I am stocking up with some full cream milk just because it's the second week of school holidays and we need more milk here in the house. So I've got 2 of those. Tomorrow we'll be going for a play date, so we are gonna need some of these. So these are their favorite. These are Woolworths chocolate flavored chocolate drink in a spout. And I've got a couple of these ones because I would need my coffee drink when I'm out with my kids. So that's the other one. Then now I bought some more yogurt. The raspberry there, and another one there. And my other drink. This is our favorite oat chocolate drink at Woolworths. Of course, frozen blueberries, and this is one of our favorite. It is on special, so normally that's $6 and they came down to about $4.50. So I bought 2 of those, and these ones are mixed berries. So these are one of our favorite Legos fresh roasted pumpkin and feta ravioli. So I'm gonna make this today. So I got 2. So they are half price. They come down to about $3.50, I think. So that was a good buy. So we got 2 of those. And I bought 1 extra. The ricotta roasted vegetables, tortellini. These are up this in the freezer. And I'll have these probably midweek next week. Now the pasta sauces are also on special. They're half priced. So I bought 4 of the Dolmio extra tomato and onion and roasted garlic pasta sauce. So I bought 4 of that just because I go through them a lot. And it's really a good buy because they're half price. So those 4, and these are half price as well at Woolworths today. So I bought 2 because they are now $1. So my kids love them as a snack. And tomorrow we are going for a play date in the city. So I will need more of these drinks. So tomato sauce. We go through a lot of tomato sauce every single day. These Hilton packet tissues. So there's 6 in a pack. So these are half price. I think they are now at $1.40. So there's 6 packed. This is also on special package because we're going out tomorrow, so I need a lot of snacks to bring with me. So I think they're about $1 something. So let me know if you like package. These are really, really good. Another one on special is the infusion potato mix. They are also, I think, half price, and they're really, really good. This is my favorite, the Thai sweet chili flavor. The other one that is also on half price today is also the Tim Tam. Tim Tams usually $2 something, but now they are at $1.80. And this is our favorite. I got these as well. These are the Ziploc bags, and this is a medium size. So I needed these for sandwiches or kids lunches and crunch and sip, just to bag fruits or just made sandwiches. So that, and the noodles is also on special. They're half price. This is the mee goreng soy and mild spice noodles. So I haven't really tried this. This would be my first time to try. So I thought this would be the best time for me to try something. And anyway, it's half price, so why not? And of course, I picked up our favorite, the beef noodles. So I think they're about $1.50 or $1.70 for 5 packets. So that's really good. Also picked up the Wonder Bread, just for sandwiches to take tomorrow. As we are going to the city, I will make lots of kids sandwiches and sandwiches for myself as well. And I've got a bag of oranges. This is a kilo, about I think they were $3 a kilo, so my kids love oranges, so I bought it. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!